What's up guys, welcome back. Sasha Necron today. I'm on a landscape page. Pencil and eraser for these and hit pause if I go too fast. Standard sort of portrait of her. We're going to start with her quite large anime eyes. Right, so the right eye. Let's go. Curve a line. Curved line like that. It's got a hook on the end, so it kind of like goes down that way. And then hooks out. Right, and then we're going to bring it back, right? So we're going to go kind of like these little sketchy lines at the front and then back this way to a point back there. You want to color this dark, right? So shade it in with your pencil, thicken it up. And add some eyelashes. So she has like one, we'll go two, and I think a third there. So just these eyelashes sticking off like that. So she doesn't have a bottom eyelid, right? It's just the eye. So she's got these long eyes, right, drawn in. Curved line there, curved line here. And instead of it being round, it just goes flat across her eyelid. It's like it's cut off by the bottom of her eye. Pupil in the middle, quite small. And then another line just around that. Another sort of oval line. Around that there. And then she has like two little dashes just for eyelashes just there. So different type of anime eye. Right, she has a eyelid line. So it goes up diagonal and then it'll go across the top like that. Then her eyebrow is quite simple. It's just very thin sort of line coming across the top. Line like exceptionally thin, so it just goes like you can barely see the spot where you have like some brown, like the color of her hair there. Like it's real small. You go over and do the other eye, starting just here. It's about, what would you say? It'd be from here to here will fit in between her eye. It's nearly eye width, but it's like from this part of her eyelash to here will like fit in between both eyes, and that's where the next eye starts. So curve over, spike it down, hook it out, and then you do your spikes at the front and then go over to the back. And then you just color it in. And some eyelashes. So like eyelash here, here. Slightly different to this one, but we'll do it the same. You just kind of thicken those up a little bit at the base. Same thing with her eye. Curves around. Long, thin eyes. And then just a flat line across the bottom. And maybe like two little eyelash lines there. And then her pupil in the middle. And another eye line or iris line coming around. Like so. Eyelid, so same sort of thing again, diagonal and then across, and then her eyebrow, like so, and just a place that you can add a little bit of color going that way. So her nose, pretty much in the center, and it's very easy, just that. And then her mouth, it's one of those double lines, so it goes across there. You leave a gap, and then you go across there. And you'll notice like there's like a little dimple just on the ends. It's just a little dot. And then her chin, pointy chin. Here, proportions, right? Top of, say, eyelash line there, right, to her nose. About the same as nose to the chin. So here to here, say the bottom of her nose is about the same as bottom of the nose to the eyelashes, right? So that's about halfway, bottom of the nose, about halfway between here and here. So do that again, here to here, about the same as there to there, roughly. And then nose to bottom lip, sort of just below this, right, is about the same as bottom lip to chin, right? So the standard proportion for human face when they're looking forward. So we'll go for jaw. The side like that. You want to stop about mouth level, see, and like underneath, say, the edge of her eye. So we go again, stopping about mouth level underneath here, this part of her eye. That's where you change direction, go up the side of her face. Right, we don't go the whole way because she has a lot of hair that covers her face. Characters like this, the hair is like the hardest part. So let's get on with it. So she has fringe coming down the middle. Here, like a couple of spikes, starting like that. They're all sort of in behind one another and stuff there. There. Another one coming down here. Right. And then some come out across her eyes. This way. And then on this side. Okay, so hair spikes sticking down. Here beside her face. How high up? Goes to there. I think this goes around nearly up to the top of her head. Like that. Yeah, it actually does. So this goes like up and then here. And then the other side, same sort of thing. So hair like this can be quite challenging, so take your time. You gotta like get these arcs of, you know, kind of like move my hand kind of smoothly and so top of her head, kind of up here, right? So it kind of bumps around and then goes in behind here. there's like some texture lines and things that go that way. Okay, so she's got big ponytails and stuff that comes down from behind her head and things. So I guess we'll do her body first, and then because the ponytails go like behind her head, right? So, and these things that come down. So she's got these long things that come down this way. I'm not really sure what they are. They come out from behind her face, sort of here. I think they're part of her hair sort of thing, right? So but these come across the front of her body. And there's all details on them. Like this kind of thing. Like that. Right, and then her neck is in here, so quite skinny neck, thin there, and then her collar comes across the front down around this sort of diamond shape. And then that comes across here, and her collar opens out at the bottom. It goes around the back of her neck down there, and we got her jacket just coming. The uniform is quite detailed, so like, right, we've got this kind of bump thing here, and then the collar inside across. And then I think there's like another shape inside here. Okay, so more details. So jacket or shirt thing inside here. Shoulders kind of go this way. Quite narrow shoulders now. And there's there's a golden brass thing here that sticks off. And then her shoulder goes down. We've got something on her shoulder there. And then we go the other side. And her jacket goes into here. And then there is like that. There. So I'm kind of just adding what I can see now. It's pretty complicated. It's like a jewel or something here. And then like a navy section in there, and a navy section in here with a jewel, a line going around. I think that's it. And then, so those ponytails at the top. So we've got like something holding them together. So this big curved line here. And it's got like a golden edge line to it there. And then another one on this side. and a golden edge on there. And then these kind of another spike sticking out going into her head. And it's got a golden edge. And then that ponytail, so lots more hair then, right, going all the way down. So spiking out every now and then. All right, like that. They go a bit in behind different ones. So, big one here. And there's like a rounder one, so that comes out from here. Does that go behind her head? Is that reattached back here? I'm not sure. Like so. And then hair in behind. Another one this way. So this is always hard. These types of hairstyles. Doot. Right, okay. I think that's the best I can do for that. I crisscross some of them, but I can erase them. And right, we'll try the other side. So we'll go. Doesn't have to be the exact same, but just we get the general gist. I'll go off the bottom there. Yeah, the side's longer for some reason. And then there's this one that it appears to go in behind her head, but I'm not sure. I'd have to see the character from different angles to really know if that actually goes in behind her head, but it looks like it is in the picture. A lot of hair. I would love to know how they animate this. You know, with all the hair moving and stuff. I assume they simplify it for sort of different scenes and things. Okay, but I think I'll leave it there. That is how to draw Sasha Necron. I think I got everything. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.